In this video we will learn bedroom items in English. Bed. I sleep on a comfortable bed every night. Pillow. She placed her head on the soft pillow. Blanket. He wrapped himself in a warm blanket during the cold night. Sheet. I changed the sheets on my bed this morning. Mattress. The mattress was too firm for my liking. Bedside table. I keep my alarm clock on the bedside table. Lamp. The lamp on the desk gives off a warm glow. Alarm clock. The alarm clock went off at 7 a.m. sharp. Wardrobe. She opened the wardrobe to pick a dress. Dresser. His clothes were neatly arranged in the dresser. Mirror. I looked at myself in the mirror before leaving the house. Curtain. The curtains were drawn to block the sunlight. Carpet. The carpet in the living room is soft and fluffy. Chair. Please take a seat in the chair by the window. Desk. My study desk is always organized and tidy. Bookshelf. She placed her favorite books on the bookshelf. Nightstand. I keep a glass of water on the nightstand next to my bed. Ceiling fan. The ceiling fan helped cool down the room on a hot day. Air conditioner. The air conditioner is on full blast during the summer. Heater. The heater kept the room warm on a cold evening. Window. I opened the window to let in some fresh air. Door. She knocked on the door before entering. Picture frame. The picture frame on the wall holds a family photo. Wall. The wall was painted in a calming blue color. Floor. The floor was covered in a beautiful hardwood finish. Duvet. I pulled the duvet up to my chin for warmth. Mattress protector. I added a mattress protector to keep my bed clean. Quilt. The quilt was handmade by my grandmother. Pillowcase. I changed the pillowcase to a fresh one. Night light. The night light in the hallway gives just enough light. Slippers. I wore my slippers around the house to keep my feet warm. Laundry basket. I put all my dirty clothes in the laundry basket. Hanger. I hung my jacket on the hanger in the closet. Jewelry box. She keeps her earrings in a small jewelry box. Makeup table. The makeup table is full of her cosmetics and brushes. Hamper. He threw his dirty clothes in the hamper. Alarm system. The house has a sophisticated alarm system for security. Books. She has a collection of books on her shelf. Notebook. I always carry a notebook to jot down important ideas. Pen. He signed the document with a black pen.